In there.
Where is it?
In there.
Oh, no,
Here's your spark sparkle.
Uh-oh.
Little.
Oh, he's not in the box.
He loves sweets.
Where's
Guess he
Spark
scribbled
Sparkle?
there. I know. That's a really good place in here.
Is he in there?
No.
Hmm.
I think he is in a box of sweets.
Why is there an elf in the marshmallows? That's crazy. Where are we going?
Santa!
Where are we going, Foxy?
Santa.
Santa! Are you excited?
Seaside.
Not going to the seaside.
A puzzle.
A Santa expedition.
What is that? Yeah.
Christmas tree. Foxy, where are we going?
And
See Santa?
No.
Yes. Wow, elves.
you think they know our elves?
I bet they do. Foxy, where are we going? Right, wait your turn.
Wait. Hold my hand.
This is cute, isn't it? I didn't know this was an expedition.
What's that?
Well, we're going on a trail to find Santa. Whose turn is it? Is it Foxy turn? Foxy, look! Smokes! Wow!
One for you, little.
Foxy, take it, say thank you.
One for you.
Christmas town.
Yeah, it's a Christmas town. So if you guys want to come through, we'll get you one just
Go stand
there.
over here. Look! Wow!
As you go around, you can take as many pictures of videos.
Wow!
Wow.
Foxy, is there going to be a dragon?
What do you say to a dragon?
Very cool, man, but she's really friendly.
Thank you.
Thank you, dragon.
Don't fall over, okay?
Oh, look, Foxy.
Their footsteps.
Who's Hello? Is that
There
Elf?
you guys, everybody see you.
Come on then, let's go. Go on, in you go. Have a seat wherever you'd like. We're going to sit down. Should we sit over here? Can we sit down?
You gotta sit. Need to move up. Sit.
Wow.
Everyone's tickets, please.
Can we do our ticket?
Thank you.
Wow, look at the stamp. A snowflake. Got your ticket?
You?
Cool. You got a Christmas tree.
Of course. Before we go, can I get everyone's help with something?
Yeah.
Our train driver is always falling asleep. So on the count of 3, can we shout driver to wake him up?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, be loud. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Driver! All right, let's see if it works. Here we go.
Yay!
Are we excited to see Santa?
Yeah.
Do you already know what you're going to ask for Christmas?
Yeah.
What are you going to ask for?
Lego friends.
Ooh.
What are you going to ask for? You shout it. You shout what you want. A puppy.
Oh, a puppy. Ooh, that'll be fun.
Foxy, what do you want from Santa? Ninky Nonk?
Oh.
Ninky Nonk.
Here we are. If you follow me
Come
this
on,
way,
let's go.
Christmas town.
Christmas Town, Foxy.
Ticket.
All right, how about you you two want to open the door for me? All right, push very gently at the same time, okay?
Ready?
Ready?
Go.
There we go.
Wow, thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, girls, look at this.
Bye-bye.
Wow.
Hiya.
Hi.
Say bye-bye.
Foxy,
Bye-bye.
look.
Can I hold your ticket?
Bye-bye, hun.
Have you seen
good?
the elf?
Your train ride
jacuzzi?
there?
Is it?
Look, there's an elf jacuzzi.
Yeah. We keep going.
Look.
Mushroom. Don't touch anything.
Wow.
Wait. No touching.
Is it pretty?
Yeah.
You gonna go and explore?
Yeah.
Can they go?
Yeah, go ahead. Have fun.
Thank you.
Uh-oh, big penguin.
Look, girls, penguin.
Don't hit everything.
You seen all the shops? Look, what's this one? Paws,
Oh,
claws,
it's a
wings
puppy.
and things. Oh, it's your puppy. You're stroking? Foxy, look. Doggy. Baby one. Unicorn food. Dragon food. There's a monkey up there. Oh, look at the moo cow, Ari. Look at the unicorns eating. That's amazing. Oh, look all the medicine. Dragon for wobbly wings. Sparkle for unicorns.
These are doggy.
Frog's breath.
Look, look.
Oh, look. Penny, the pink polar bear.
This one's
Look,
neat.
this one's skin. Oh, this is the wonderful world of books.
Slow down. Slow down.
This is so pretty, isn't it? Foxy, do you like it? You can't go in there. Just for looking. Look at all the lovely books. Where's the dragon? Look at the dragon.
Snow dragon.
She's beautiful. Look at her big wings. Let's go in here. This is the old toy shop. She's from Norfolk. Wow. Look at all this. Look, Mummy's on the Mummy's on the good list. And Nana is.
Wait. Wait.
Showing this. Foxy, look, there's a Bitbot. Look, Foxy, Bitbot.
Wow, he's a good bit,
Loch
Bob.
Ness Monster.
And there's a choo-choo.
I don't know yet if you can go in there or not. You have to wait. Let Daddy look. Can we go in yet? Go through the tinsel wall, Ari.
Leave him alone.
Wow.
Doesn't touch everything. Didn't do his research, no touching.
Please.
Hiya.
Hello.
You go all together, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, right. You're the oldest, you're the oldest. Right, come here for me. Need you to stand there and everybody line up behind. And then I'll put the rope back and show you.
Thank you. Wow, line up nicely.
That's all right. That's, I'm just going to pop past you.
Camilla.
That's it. Follow me.
And the time past you, yeah?
Follow the lights. Wow. Ari. Is it dark?
Who's in there?
Here we go. Come on.
Thank you, Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Come in,
Merry
everybody.
Christmas.
Nice to see you.
It's Santa.
There. What a lovely surprise.
Foxy,
I see
look.
you've got your cat ears on, both of you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I'm Father Christmas. Who's come to see me? What's your names?
You first.
Mika.
Nika.
Ari.
Harrier.
And what's your name? Fox.
Fox. And how old are we all?
7,
You're 7?
6,
6?
How old are you?
1,
No, you're
2.
Ooh, wow. Are we all growing up quick, eh? Now, did you see when you came in here? I've got all these presents, look. Guess what? I'm giving them out to all the boys and girls that come to see me before Christmas here. You've all just done that. So there's a present for you all in here. Now let me... Oh, Fox, I can see yours right over here by my tree. Let me go and fetch it.
You're gonna get a present?
Here it is. There.
Wow.
Now then, I'll slide it down.
There's no contact.
Foxy, go down here. Look
Exactly.
at this. Look at
Wow.
this. Foxy,
You ready?
You're gonna catch your present.
Catch it.
Catch it.
1, 2, 3.
Foxy, yay! What do you say?
Thank you. Should we open this in the car?
Now then,
Yeah. Good boy. Come here then.
Harrier, where did I see? Oh, yours is just here.
You're gonna catch it, Ari?
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
What do you say?
Thank you.
And oh, yours is just here too. Look.
Go on, Mika.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Well done.
What do you say?
Thank you.
That's okay.
Thank you.
What do we say to Santa?
Thank you.
Happy Christmas.
Oh yes, all have a happy Christmas. And I tell you what, I'm going to be bringing lots more presents, aren't I, on Christmas Eve when you're all sleeping. So when you wake up next day on Christmas Day, you'll have lots of presents to open. Look, what do you want me to bring you? What do you want for Christmas?
Lego friends.
Lego friends.
Ari,
Play with you and the Lego friends.
what else did you say you wanted? You can tell Santa.
Puppy.
A puppy.
Puppy.
What do you
Foxy,
want?
what do you want Santa to bring you?
Carrot.
Yeah, what present do you want?
Dog.
Ninky Nonk.
Ninky Nonk. Oh, wow. I saw all those things up at the North Pole last night, you know.
Ah.
Yes, my elves had them.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Good.
Apart from the puppy, they wrapped them all up.
Yes, you can't wrap a puppy up, can you?
No, they won't keep still. You shouldn't try and
Too
that
wiggly.
wouldn't be fair on them, would it? No, they wrapped all the other things up though in Christmas wrapping paper and put them on my sleigh. That must be your presents going on the sleigh for Christmas.
Was that
Good.
exciting? Yeah. Have you
I'll tell
been?
you what, they put them right at the back of my sleigh too. They're some of the first ones we bring round at Christmas. Oh, we could be at yours early then, that'd be nice.
Do you have to go to bed super early?
That's true,
Yeah.
good idea. Yes,
Do you want to ask Santa what he wants us to leave out?
Oh,
What do you think Santa would like?
Pie.
Mince pies?
ooh, I like mince pie.
What else?
Some with the drink.
A beer?
Oh, a beer, I do like a beer. Well
Yeah,
done.
we like to give Santa
Oh,
a
yes.
beer.
Do you know, a lot of people keep offering me milk. No,
No.
I can't have that anymore, no.
We want
Lactose
Santa.
intolerant Santa.
We
Beer
want
would be fantastic.
Santa to
What
have
about
a
something
beer.
for the reindeer?
What do they like?
Carrot.
Carrots.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Yes, Rudolph's favourite. So I could come to yours first if you got beer, couldn't I? And then I'd be
Yeah.
starting off with a nice drink
Yeah.
the rest of the night. Is it all right if we start at yours then this year? Can we come to you first?
Yeah? Gonna go to bed super early, ready? Okay.
As soon as my elves tell me you've gone to sleep, then we'll get out on the sleigh and fly to yours and start Christmas there.
Amazing. What do you say?
Thank you.
That's okay. Should we all get some pictures together?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little table full of presents. You can all sort of
You can
sit
sit
on
on
there.
there.
And then you get the background with me in the trees.
Yeah.
There we are.
there.
Have this
Lovely.
one where we're all smiling and we have a silly one up.
Yeah.
Brilliant now, are you?
And don't forget to come and see me next year.
We won't. We'll definitely be here, won't
My
we?
friends. There.
Say Merry Christmas, Santa.
Merry Christmas.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas. That is the way. That's it. Thanks for coming and have a very Merry
Thank you.
Christmas.
Bye-bye.
See you all again next year.
Bye.
Thanks,
Don't forget
thanks
to
for
buy.
not climbing the tree, Mum. this year.
Don't forget Foxy's rubbish.
Bye. Polar bears.
Good.
It is brilliant. Wow. How cool was that?
Don't forget to get the plum.
Hey, it's, I don't know what time it is, my watch is doing something, 5:15. We have been so busy today. We obviously went to see Santa this morning, which you'll have seen. We then went to my brother's house, which is like an hour and 40 minutes from where we saw Santa. That was the first time we've been to his new house and it was lovely. We had lunch with them and then we came home. We got back here at about 3:30, 4:15. And Ben finished building Mika's bookcases. He has now gone to get McDonald's for our dinner, and me and the girls, I say me and the girls have just watched. And I've just rearranged Mika's room entirely, and we've sort of started putting things on her shelves. The girls are just picking up Foxy's train track that he tipped out. Fox has gone with Ben to get McDonald's. I will show you upstairs after dinner. But I'm super dehydrated because we've not stopped all day. So yeah. You wanna do a tour?
Yeah.
So there's a couple of bits. This isn't staying in Mika's room. Obviously Nor's my Hoover, and nor is this little thing here. But do you want to show us your new room? So what have we done?
I made the cupboard.
We took the door off this walk-in cupboard. And we put 2 bookshelves in that are attached to the wall.
Yeah.
And then you've got your new wardrobe, your desk.
My Legos in here.
Your Legos in there, is it?
Yeah.
There's still a few bits we need to carry on tidying, but Mika's got clothes and Lego in here. That's ridiculous. And then her bed, the mirror. Yeah, she's got Daddy's old Lego up here. Daddy's old Transformers. This is some of Mika's Lego. There's another massive cupboard there. Mika's tooth stuff. And we've got books at the bottom. It's got its own little light. You excited?
Yeah.
And a fox. Where's Foxy? There he is! Who's in there? Mika's in there! It's bedtime. I've got a new bookcase. Just look over there behind the door. Ben's put it in and it looks like it was made for it. I'll show you more tomorrow. We're just going to have some books before bed. And we're going to open Box of Goth, day number 12. And we think it's a lipstick.
Yeah.
Box of Goth is usually Folly Fire.
Huh? What's that?
Folly Fire. Oh, it's a pink. It's called Need a Boyfriend. Folly Fire lipsticks are lovely. They're cruelty free and vegan. What colour do you think it's going to be?
Pink. Red. Pinky red. Oh yeah, pinky red.
Oh, it's a very vivid pink. Look at that.
Ooh.
That is a sassy pink, isn't it?
Yeah.
Super sassy. So that, put that on there. I got no space anywhere. Yeah. It's been a busy day, hasn't it, girls?
Yeah.
We were in the car for like nearly 4 hours, and everyone did so good in the car, didn't you? It was really boring, and really.
I kept getting bored.
Ari kept getting bored and tired, and she did really good because she didn't feel poorly because she's been a bit car sick previously, haven't you? But you were fine.
And when we're downstairs, we're gonna play charades.
Yeah, we're gonna play charades. Aria made her own game of charades. She drew and wrote on some pictures on some cards, and we're gonna play it to guess what she has done. And it's gonna be good. So that's day 12. And it's the last week of school before Christmas. Excited?
Yeah.
We'll see you tomorrow.